Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Suunto Core strap. First, gather your essential tools, a small Phillips head screwdriver and your brand new Suunto Core strap. It's also a good idea to have a clean, well-lit workspace. This helps prevent losing any tiny screws and protects your watch from scratches. A soft cloth or mat can be very useful for this purpose. Now, let's remove the old strap. You'll notice 2 small screws on each side where the strap connects to the watch. There are a total of 4 screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully turn each screw counterclockwise until it's completely loose. Once all 4 screws are out, gently pull the old strap pieces away from the watch body. Keep these tiny screws safe. With the old strap removed, it's time to attach your new one. Take one piece of the new strap and align its end with the watch's connection point. Make sure the screw holes line up perfectly. Insert one of the small screws and gently turn it clockwise to start tightening. Repeat this for all 4 screws, ensuring each one is snug. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the watch casing. Finally, let's do a quick check. Gently tug on both sides of your newly installed strap to ensure it's securely fastened to the watch. It should feel firm and not wobble. Also, make sure the strap moves freely and comfortably around the watch pins. For long-term security, it's a good practice to periodically check the tightness of those 4 screws. Enjoy your refreshed Suunto Core.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.